When you're dealing with your money, especially in the world of crypto, security is a top priority. So, what's Bitwala's security stance? First, let's break down their approach to fiat currency. Bitwala operates with a German banking license. That's a big deal. It means your euro deposits are protected by the German Deposit Guarantee Scheme up to 100,000 euros. It's the same level of protection you get with any traditional German bank account, bringing a familiar layer of safety to the crypto space. Now, for the crypto side of things. Bitwala offers both self-custodial and custodial crypto wallets. This gives you a choice. With the self-custodial option, you hold the private keys. This means you have full control over your Bitcoin or Ethereum. Bitwala can't touch your funds, and they can't be frozen or seized. It's the be-your-own-bank ethos of crypto in practice. But with that comes the responsibility to securely store your backup keys. For those who prefer convenience, the custodial wallet is a great option. Bitwala partners with a trusted provider to manage the keys for you. This makes it easier to trade and use your crypto, especially for those new to the space. You don't have to worry about losing your keys, and transactions are fast and fee-free. Bitwala also layers on additional security measures like biometric authorization for transactions and a robust identity verification process. They've also been around for a while and proudly state they've never been hacked since their inception in 2014. So, in short, Bitwala's security stance is a combination of traditional banking safeguards for your fiat and a dual wallet system for your crypto, offering a choice between full user control and a more convenient, managed approach. This blend of regulated security and user-centric crypto options is a core part of their offering.